Today we're going to be making a green chili smoked queso burger. Y'all ready? Let's go! First we're making our smoked burger patty, which is taking half pound of 80/20 ground chuck. Coating this on the outside with some coarse black pepper on all sides. Then next generally coating some meat church holy gospel on both sides, just like so. Very nice. Now into our smoked queso, we're going to be taking our Dutch oven, adding in extra virgin olive oil, onions chopped, sauteed to translucent. From here, then we're going to be adding in our hatch chili that we have roasted, chopped, chorizo casing moved, unsalted butter, flour, cumin, garlic powder. Give this a nice mix. Then adding in Monterey Jack cheese, hatch chili queso cheese, heavy cream. Give this a nice mix. So combine a little bit of salt and pepper to taste and smoke at 275 for 1 hour. Taking our wonderful beef patties, we're going to be smoking that at 275 as well until it reaches 140 to 145. Back inside, we're going to be caramelizing some of our onions just like so for our burger topping. And then searing our burger with butter about 30 seconds per side just like so. Then adding in caramelized onion right on top. A little bit more basting of the butter. And it's time to make our burger sauce. We're going to be taking 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Then adding in a half tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, get us a nice mix. Toasting our bread just like so. Then we're going to be adding in our burger sauce right on top. A little bit of chopped lettuce right on the bottom. Our wonderful burger patty goes right on top. Green chili, bacon, some of our famous smoked green chili queso goes right on top. And there we have it, an amazing smoked green chili burger for any grill party. As always, please do like, subscribe, follow for future recipes, and I hope you have a good day now you're here. Bye-bye!